homegrown jalapenos, homegrown oregano and basil, cream cheese, streaky bacon, toothpicks, and magic Memphis dough. Open up the jalapenos and scoop out the spicy bits in the middle. For the stuffing, cube up some room temperature cream cheese. Then chop up your fresh herbs and mash them through that cream cheese. Grab a spoon and stuff those jalapenos as full as you can. Wrap your stuffed jalapeno in a slice of bacon and secure it with a couple of toothpicks. Season both sides with your favourite pork rub. I'm using Magic Memphis dust from Jackalope. Get a good chimney full of charcoal ready and set your barbecue up for indirect cooking. Chuck those jalapeno poppers on the opposite side and throw on a piece of smoking wood. In this case I'm using jam wood from Jagged. Make sure you just got that beautiful thin blue smoke. About an hour later, look at that. So good. Jalapeno poppers, get it in ya.